araw ulit mga ka-Battlecrack. Ako nga pala ulit si Jan Sanuan para sa Battlecrack Product. Lagi ka lamang. Nandito po pa rin tayo sa Barangay Agusos, Indang Cavite, kay Gimmick Unlimited Game Farm. So makakasama natin si Sir Dudong. Ayan. Sir, magandang araw po.
Hello. Ako nga wala si Dudong. Katiwala ng yung farm ni Gimmick Unlimited.
Ayun. So, yun nga at sir, kamusta naman po ang paggamit niyo ng Battlecrack? So, ano pong product po ng Battlecrack ang nagamit niyo?
Bitmin Pro Tremoxil. Maayos, magaganda ng epekto.
Ayun. So, si sir, binigyan din po natin sila ng sample para mga ibang product po ay magamit po. Bali, babalik ulit tayo dito para hingyan natin ng iba pang mga testimonial para sa gamot. Yun lang at maraming salamat. Muli ako si Jan Sanuan para sa Battlecrack Product. Lagi ka lang. Thank you po. Yes sir, thank you po.
Sige.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can beat the world, you can beat the war. Throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you can find yourself. Standing in the Hall of Fame. Yeah. And the world's gonna know your name. Yeah. 'Cause you're born with the first fame. Yeah. And the world's gonna know your name. You can run the mile, you can walk straight through hell with a smile. You could be the hero, you get the gold. Breaking all the records, they thought never could be wrong. Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. You're never gonna know if you never even try. Do it for your country, do it for your name. 'Cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. Politicians be preachers, be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers, be students, be teachers.